Do a little late night design session. Got to catch up on some work here. Got to get something going for some of these people. All right. Join in. I'm just listening to music, chatting away. Come hang out. Let's see. I got one view prepped already. So we'll just start with this. And I'll show you how to do this when I need to get to the second floor because I need second floor converted as well. So I'm going to select this. Get in 35 foot 6 is our scale. 35 foot 6. And let's just double check in the other direction. 34 foot. Let's just draw an inference line real quick. Why not? 34 foot 2.5. 34 foot 2.5. Where does that end up? Yep, that's perfect. All right. So where do we want this? Kind of want the center of this to be in the center of this. And let's start tracing. I want to kind of set what this is. So I might pull up the PDF and take a look at what we've got here. See what kind of exterior wall this is. Let's see. Got any note on what the wall size is? Have a typical wall detail would be good. These are probably all boilerplates. Typical wall, typical wall, typical wall. Or I might go to an energy report to find it. I kind of want to change that so that my plans are really obvious about what the wall is right off the bat. Wouldn't that be nice? No questions asked, just know exactly what the wall type is right off the bat. Would be awesome. Because, well, I do have a wall legend in my stuff, so I guess I do that. Because otherwise I'm just stuck here looking for it. And then I got to do ocular character recognition just to find what the wall thickness is or what the wall makeup is. All right, so let's just look at a section and hopefully one of the sections has some kind of clue. This just looks like no notes. What do we have? R30 insulation. Yeah. Finish board base. You're not telling me the exterior. Tell me exterior. R19 sheathing. So sheathing 3-coat stucco. Okay, that's fine. So we want to draw a wall out. And let's just pump this up to thickness. Let's go +2. What happens then? There we go. That's it. So default. Yep. And then I just like to start with continuous draw mode. So alternate behavior. So click right in the center of this here. And just continuous draw mode with my 3D mouse. Makes it real easy to pan and move. And pop this right in place. Oops, that's... What do I have here? A little entry. All right, that even snapped and inferred to this. Oh no, it didn't. I don't know what that was snapping to. Interesting. There we go. Let's just drop this on top of the other. Oops. Let's go to that. And let's drop it back a few to like 6 or something. Okay. Main exterior shell. Do you go windows first and you just keep drawing with walls? Who knows? Let's go interior wall here. And probably there should have been some order of left to right, but who cares? I always forget too. Is it top or bottom? It's going to be bottom drawing left to right. For the case that I draw from the interior side of a wall, I want to make sure that this lines up, even though we're going to pull this back. So I'll make sure that that's snapping and that's correct. And maybe that's just the wing wall. Okay. That's all open. Wow. Okay, we're missing some. Yep. That looks like all of it. All right. Let's go center line. And then what is that? 106C. Do we have a ledger here? Let's turn the drawing board off. Nope. Nothing on this page. That's too bad. I mean, we could take a guess. This is 3 inches on either side, right? Yeah. So that's a 3040. Who knows what it is? Maybe go look back to the PDFs and take a look. And while we're at it, let's just get into tools. And this just helps. Let's do character recognition. Where is that? That is scan OCR. Recognize text in this file. All right, we'll let it do its thing. So it might be nice to pick out what those default windows are. In the meantime, let's go do a little door right here. We can get my ortho camera out of the way. What's going on here? 4.0. Okay. That looks like center of this. Yeah, center. Okay, center. Yep, and then exterior door center. Perfect. What do we have? This is 2 inches more. So now that we have that, let's set that to default. I'm going to assume that that's going to be everywhere. Yep, look at that. Easy peasy. Oh, this is a wide one. Pump that up to 4. Yep, 3-foot door. Okay. That's center. I got my bump set to 1/8 inch, so this will be nice and easy to bump in. Okay. Looks like we got a little slider here. That's just that side, and then this is going to be 4 foot. And then it's probably going to be centered on that wall. Yep. Okay. That's looking pretty good. We know we're going to be designing in several of these rooms. So I'm doing this for a designer. I'm going to be producing elevations and renderings, and they're going to be very colorful and pretty. It's for a really high-end designer. 24. I'd actually not think that's 24, but all right. Typically bump this inch off the wall or something. Filler. There we go. And let's get into my bathroom toolbar and grab a toilet real quick. And then we're also going to do a little bathroom kit here. Let's explode this. Pop that to there. Let's draw a curve out. Looks like we're not going to get a curve in going that way, so assume this way. And we'll just leave all this junk in here for now. We can paint this a shower. Okay. Let's just start labeling some of this stuff. Let's see what happened with our PDF if it got finished scanning. Yeah, okay. And then let's Control F for find. Oh, it's still converting. It wanted me to clear that error. That's too bad. Should just move through without errors. Oh well. So we still don't know window sizes until that finishes scanning. So that's okay. And then we need to build another level. So let me get back to this, build another level. And we'll figure out heights in a minute. But we know we have stairs. So let's do some stairs. So we could just draw this arbitrarily. And then I'm assuming that if we snap to this point, right, and then draw back 36, let's see what that takes us. So that would put us on a 36th landing. And do we think that's appropriate? Not sure. They're saying it's 3'2", which is weird. Maybe. And then we've got, so depending on the height of this, I could probably figure out what these stairs are. But in the meantime, what's the distance here? 3'2", and this is not wide enough. What's going on there? That's odd. That's very odd. Okay, maybe it's existing space. Click in between and we get a landing. And then we can just populate this. Hopefully that made it to the stairs above. Right? Did that? Yeah, it did. Okay. And let's get into my library and start tagging some stuff. We got some new tools for the new update. So let's see. I got RD Closet. Should get me to my closet system. And then actually, if I put Painter in there, should get me to my Painter tools. Nice. And let's grab this closet. We're going to keep this light for now. So I'm not going to do one of the ones with all the clothes in it. But should be able to take this, spray that. That converts it. Yeah. And then I want one with a double rod end. So let's just show this in folder. And then closet rod system. We should have double rod end. There you go. And I think I just get to replace and that works. So I don't know. I'll have to check that out. And then if we were really clever, we would just convert this to a symbol and drop it in. Okay, I really just need windows. There's a door I missed. What do we think this is? 48. Yep. Yep, 48-inch door. Okay. What else did we miss? Anything? Okay, now we should be able to find what were we even looking for? Window. Window. Okay, okay. Window. Maybe we'll look for a schedule. Put in schedule. Oh, what was that? That was cool. That's a new one. Schedules. Wonder if we can get window schedule all in one. No, plenty of windows, schedules. All right, let's just do this. Oh, that was it. So that didn't help us. I was hoping that was clever. Light schedule. Really? No window schedule? Gotta be. There's a door schedule. There's a door schedule and they're showing windows. Weird. So does that mean the window is in the door schedule? No. It's a shoddy set of plans, my friend. Wherever you are. Let's see if there's call outs here. 204A. Let's try that. 204A. Door schedule 202B 50676. No. Weird. Unless those are five. Are those really 50? No. And they're not dimensioned. Boy, killing it, guys. Killing it. That's a shame. That's a shame. Dumb call out doesn't give you any information. Like, why would you build from this? That would drive me nuts if I was a builder. I'd be sitting here trying to figure out what the windows are. (106C 108B). Okay, so wow, I got to reference two sheets and then figure out by the elevations which side's which. Oh man, what a pain. All right, so there's 2 on this elevation, 3 for the dining room here. So that's this elevation, yeah, because there's a staircase. So I need, these are all the same. I don't know why they have different designations. What are we looking at? 106, 106. How dumb. 10. This is that like intangible thing that you don't account for taking you a bunch of time. 3'4" by 5'6" is 106, but that's not what they have drawn. That is not. Oh, it's a 3'6". Okay. So 1 on either side, and then I say 5'6". Assuming that's an 80-inch head height. Make you do the math by just putting 2'6" here. A 96-inch head height. Okay, so that means we probably got 10-foot ceilings. What a pain to try to figure all this stuff out. Is this just for fun? No, this is a job I'm working on. So, yeah, I'm having fun now. No, I got to get this one done. So this is a pretty common workflow. You got an architect, they're designing the architecture, and then an interior designer has been hired to do like kitchen design, bathroom design for a high-end client. And so I'm the interim. I'm doing the construction documents, renderings, applying spec, etc. And then, all right, so plate height, 9 foot, 9'6". Top of plate, 9'6". Okay. So what that means is this is 9'6". Okay. Now what do we got? What's our make this challenging too? 111 and 3. 111. What is this? What do they have this drawn to? Why this isn't giving me my arrow? Let me zoom. Please let me zoom. No, I don't want text. Please let me zoom. Oh, hello. Let me zoom. Oh, man. Anybody else hate Adobe Acrobat? Like, what changed that it made? There we go. Finally. So, is he drawing this to top a subfloor? Is that what that is? Who knows? 111 foot 3/4. So let's just call it a 111 minus 1096. So what does that make this? 111 minus 109'6". 18-inch? That's huge. That is huge. Is that really that big? Make me do math. That's a foot. That's, yeah. That's crazy. Why? Talk about overkill. This has got to be a TGI. Okay. Sure. Okay, so we got these windows. 108B is the same. Center of that wall. That's perfect. Let's double check 105. Man, talk about slowing me down, making all these dumb window designations. Oh, that's this one. 105 is a big boy. And that spans 2 floors. Interesting. Aluminum. Okay, 105 is 11 foot tall, 3.0. And it's 6'10" to the bottom. Crazy. There's some kind of wing wall here. Maybe it's a half wall. Very small half wall. Don't know. All right, let's check out 104B. What do we got? I don't see a 104B. I see a 104A. Is that right? 104A, 104B? We're going to assume it's the same. There's no other windows. Man, what a terrible plan set. Jeez. Okay. So we're going to assume that's 104As. 3056. And now we got 102. What's the difference with 102? 102 is also 3056. It's just a fixed panel. That's the difference. We'll make that designation now. This other one was a casement. These are casements. The tall guy is fixed. And what's our 110? 110, 3046, or 110A. 110A. All right, so that's correct. And 110B is 3046. 3046, a foot shy. And it looks like it's been relocated to here. And is it fixed glass? No, it's a casement. Mine is fixed glass. Oops, fixed glass. There we go. And 108C is 3456 fixed glass. So basically this again must be a different material or something. 108C. Three, 4, 5, 6. So it's not a 3056. Okay. That was slow. This is still continues to be slow. Slow process for the Windows here. That was 106B. 3456. Yep. Single casement. Might be a different swing, which I don't need to note. That's fine. Okay. And then we're going to be designing a kitchen here, which I'm not going to do yet. We're going to figure out the next floor. So we do know that we've got kitchen stuff right here. That little guy. So this is going to be, where's going to be the good spot? Right there. That's where that's going to end up. So those are 4 cameras, and then I'm going to just put this rows somewhere right in there. And then once this is linked to a layout, that automatically populates the rows. This is my Pro Plan template. Pretty slick. Pretty slick. All right, now time to do a couple things. Let's PDF. Let's get to our page number, whatever it is, 3 maybe, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Page 7. And we're just going to screen clip this for now. I could open this in Adobe, but I'm not too worried about it because I'm just going to use it to trace. So I'm going to open up Adobe. So let's switch our OBS real quick. Photoshop. And do a couple things with this. So I've got a generator here that's going to allow me to do this. So my generators are PDF processing. There we go. So PDF processing, this changes mode to RGB. That's fine. We can flatten the layer, and then we're going to green colorize. There we go. That green colorized. So, and then I might even drop the opacity down a little bit. Why not? Make it nice and easy to see through, and export it as a PNG with transparency. And then find my job and paste it in. Okay, so now we're up on second level, and got something in my eye. Let's get this 35'6". And really should be able to just do a little point to point here and get me to the right spot. Assuming that's lining up. Yeah, it is. Nice. Oh, and we can see where the stairs were actually supposed to land here. So we're going to make it all the way here. That's going to definitely change that stairwell. So this actually comes out to where exactly? So let's just draw an inference line here, right here. Let's cut it, drop down a level. There we go. Now we got something to snap to. Easy peasy. Damn, I like it. Yeah. All right. So let's get in this. This is continuous. So let's just draw that out. Oh, I forgot to switch my scene. Whoops. Whoops, whoops, whoops. It's an interesting one. Okay. I feel like that actually looks like it's jogged. Interesting. Huh. We might have to do some trickery to get that to land correctly. Yeah, all right. That works. Mechanical, huh? Where is this going downstairs? What? Weird. Okay. Mechanical chase from upstairs? Attic space, maybe. Strange. Is that a bathtub? And this is continuous. This is funny. This is a funny little corner. Huh. Wonder if this is a baluster or not. And then this looks like it continues. So let's make a little break in one of these. And then no room definition. Okay. Feel like I'm missing some closets. Yep, I am. Some little chase wall or something's going on here. Don't know what. And then this is going to be continuous wall. And it's going to be aligned here. Do you show the window on this level or the lower level? That's a tough one. Okay, so I got a wide door here. Oop. So what are we doing here? Probably. Yeah, we'll work that out in a minute. Need a bathtub here, freestanding. That's not the right kind. Not quite round. All right, we're just going to leave it for now. All right, let's figure out the windows. Fun. Okay, what do we got, Mr. PDF? 204C and D. We got 12, 14. What was it? 5634. 5634. So let's go down a level. Let's see. Let's make this default. And they're both fixed, it look like. 201 A and B. 201A, 201A, 201B is fixed, 3 foot. 201 is casement. So wait, what? 201A is the casement. All right. Man, it's strange. Two hundred two A and B, probably the same condition. 202A, 202B, yeah, just a different hinge side. Which one is the casement? Let's push this in front. 202B is, so this is inverted. There we go. Okay. 207 now. 3040. Fixed. Oh, and these are probably 8-inch head height. 10-inch, 2.6 to the bottom, no, let's see, 10-inch to the bottom. Okay. So these are all at 10-inch to the bottom. That's an 8-inch head height, right? I believe so. 76 head height. That's really strange. Okay. Okay. Got that. Two oh five is same. Good. Copied it. Great. This is continuous. Broken downstairs too. 204A, A, and C. 204A is fixed. 204C is fixed. Same thing. That's correct. Start looking at what's 200. Let's see. $200 is 3'5'6". Yep. Fixed glass. Got it. Okay. Let's start looking at this roof here. Let's look at this roof. Oh, okay. That'll work. Bam, 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 bam. page is this? 8. So let's get to our roof plan. It's going to be up a level. Save this real quick. So what do we want to do here? Maybe I'll do it from a baseline polyline. Let's just get into our auto rebuilds. Make a roof baseline polyline. Yeah, why not? That way I can grab this, pop it here. And then let's drop that. Sure, we'll turn it on. Let's see if we can scale this off of anything. Oh, shoot. Didn't want to do that. That's funny. So maybe we want to turn that. Let's see. How do I want to do this? Let's open this one up. This is the roof one. We're going to put this in PDF2. Oh, should we just let me copy? There we go. PDF2. And then pick up Aldo. Maybe we'll just hide. Hide. There we go. Clever, clever, clever. All right, so that's the building envelope. So we should be able to get reference from this. Copy, cancel. And tricks, man. I got tricks for days. Tricks, tricks, tricks. Let's see. Yeah, that's close. Okay. Bop, 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 bop. Okay, so right around, I need to select my, there it is, polyline here. Let's simplify this, but we're going to make a break in it. Where's the break going to be? It's going to be right here. So this is a full gable wall. And then let's just draw a line down. Where is that snap? Is it right there? Yeah. So I should be able to grab this polyline. Same thing. A little breaky poo. Make this a gable wall. Okay. This is a full gable. There we go. What's it say the slope is? 10 and 12. Everything's 10 and 12. Okay. Oh, but this is a different slope over here. 5.5 and 12. So this and that's 5.5 and 12. This, oops, this is 5.5 and 12. This is 10 and 12. And it should be getting me pretty darn close. What's this section? 5.5 and 12. Could have just done this whole thing 5.5 and 12 and then just adjusted those two. So now let's build roofs. Build the roof planes. Yep. Okay, what happened? Dang it. So I know that that started correctly, so we just need to fix this. Funny. this intersection, this intersection. Let's just have it cross itself and cut itself. Same thing. And we'll figure out what's going wrong. What's the rest of this looking like? That looks like it's... Oh, there's my fault. This isn't a hip. This is a big gable. Whoops. Big gable. Let's take a look at this in 3D, fix it up. Okay, so this was a 10 and 12. Lock baseline. Oh, let's see. And actually, really, just need to just bury this. Bury this guy. Or they have their hip misplaced, but I'm guessing I have that just slightly wrong. This way. We'll get this close. Cross itself. And then join it. That'll get us right there, right where we need to be. There we go. Yes, sir. So what's happening here? This is going to get pulled back. Fix that in 3D. There we go. That's getting there. Let's just merge these. If it'll let me. No? No? Not going to let me? Oh, it's not going to let me. Are we sure? Yeah, that'll let me. You might need to do some new clipping, but that's there. Yep. Bam. It's looking like a house. Cool. Cool, dude. Is there really no windows on this whole elevation? There's no way. This looks too funky. Something's wrong. Let's check it out. Just roll right past it. Need to enable clicking on my mouse. No kidding. Really? How strange. Okay. So this guy goes over here. And actually, this guy goes over here too. So, all right. What do we have? This is the, so I need, how does this look? Wait, how does this look? This is full width and then it has an arch. So I just need a doorway all the way down through. I'm going to carry this all the way through. And then doorway And then let's say it's got no jam. And we're going to snap it to both sides. And then that makes it through floor structures. So there's no floor here. I'll have to work that out in a little bit. But there's not going to be any floor in between here. There's going to be an open beneath condition. Yeah, because there's the floor surface that's the problem. Round top. And so this is going to carry through how tall? Up to the roof line, basically. What a funny little setup. So we need to find a room here. This generated. So really should just, this says no room definition, but let's just give it room definition. In which case, do we get to say open below? Does that fix our problem? Yes, it does. What a funny house. Appreciate it. It was. You didn't know? Let's see. Oh, I know what I was trying to do. I was trying to look up PDFs. There we go. What a funny house. One window down here. I got one of these windows wrong. Does that say 60? 66. And this is 48. Oh, don't make me do math. I can't do math right now. Can't. It's 48. Go. Okay, so that's that. Huh. Yeah, what a wild house. We'll put these downspouts in. Actually, I don't even think I need to for this job. This is a strange house. All right, let's check this out. Oh, these are much taller. Okay, so these are probably 12 taller, and they look like they're all glass. Glass panel. They look like they're very narrow, very narrow frame. Let's call them a 3-inch frame all the way around. Okay. Just keep the colors consistent. What a funny house. And so this is all stucco, which we know we got to modify here. Let's see. I have resize about center, so I should actually just be able to change this to 2x6 new stucco over WSP wrap. So that should just do the job for me. Oh, except for I need to do that to all walls. We can do that by pulling a legend real quick. So Alt-T, schedule, and then, oops, wait a minute. Alt-T, schedules, walls, L. Okay. And then let's just grab all these siding 6 walls. And we should be able to just, oops, open row object, and we can just change it here. Easy. Yep. Bam. So that should have changed everything to stucco real quick. Yeah, it sure did. And it should have kept everything in place. We'll have to double check. Good idea to double check. But I think everything, yep, everything's in place. Cool. Quick edit, quick fix. Let's take a look again. This is weird. Those doors, the 108Bs, where was our schedule? 17? No. I've still don't learn where the schedule is. Schedule's on page 20. I need to remember that. So And then where was I? I was at 12. 12. Yeah. 108. 108. So what's the 108 door? 108 doors, 8, 7.5. Funny. Funny, 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 funny. 7.5. Wow, what a weird little deal here. And this is going to be 12. Yep. And that's going to be last panel. Let's go through 3 again. And so back to 12. Sills on all these, but no casing. So what's a couple easy ways we can just take the casing off of all windows? Well, I can just do delete molding plan, and that should get rid of all casing. Yep. Same with the door. Yeah, door seems like it's got some crazy. Okay. Strange house. So what are we missing here? 1, 2, 3. That's a downspout in between. That's what's breaking that line up. Windows look in proportion. Windows look in proportion. Weird offset on the door. Strange, strange, strange. And then the alcove here looks like it's short. So we're going to like lower this down. But we're in the exterior room, so we need to generate a room before we do that. So let's get down a level. And then we're just going to extend this through and break it. And then we could take that, make it invisible. And now we can come in this side and select the wall, tab through, and bring it down just to right above the door. Yeah, funny little setup. Cool. Oh boy, got some stuff wrong here. What's the obvious? What's the obvious amount? This would be 32 inches or 30 inches? Good question. 32. Same height? Yeah, now they're the same height. That's right. That looks right. Yeah, that looks right. Okay, so big archway here. So same thing. We got to throw on this side. Let's throw this in. Let's just throw a doorway in. No jam it. And then snap it to surface. Back here. And let's take a look here. Where's that arch going to end up? Arch looks 109'6" to the top. So round top arch, 109'6". Oh, what happened there? 109'6". Try that. Oh, am I doing it? What am I doing wrong? 109. No. I'm looking at this wrong. What am I talking about? 109'6" is actually 9'6". That's why I'm getting confused. They're using the old 100-foot sea level thing. Oops, what'd I do here? What happened here? Let's see if we get a rebuild, 3D rebuild. F5, F3, F12. What is it? F12. Weird. Look at that. What happened to my wall? It destroyed it. How funny. Let's just do a cut and then paste in place. and see if that fixed it. There we go. Cool. Weird house. Weird house. That's a weird house. That is a weird house. That looks off. So this is not, oops, this is not correct. Let me figure out what this one is. Oh, it needs 4 more inches. That's what it needs. Let's call that the default, because what's this other side looking like? Same thing. Yeah, strange house, man. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. What's this place look like from the inside? Nice and light. Nice and light. This is where the kitchen's going to be. Okay. Let's get rid of some of these layers. I'm going to have to come back and double check some stuff though, because we don't have the overhangs right. Overhangs look like they are uniform 9-inch overhangs. And I probably have 18s. Yeah, so I can bring this in straight down 9 inches. And that was a bad move. I'm just going to have to do this the old fashioned way. Trim box work. I wonder if does trim work on. Be really curious if this works. Let's make an external polyline. Let's resize. Let's concentrically resize it. Bring it straight up 9 inches. And then does that work to as a? I know it works as a fence, but can we trim based on this? That'd be kind of clever. Will it trim a roof? No, it won't. That'd be cool. I should figure that out. I want that new select side tool that they Chief made just for me. I want that. I talk crap, but everybody could use that tool. Everybody needed that tool. I'd like it if it worked on roof planes. It'd be really cool. Cool. Very cool, cool, cool. We could get select next side on roof planes. That'd be awesome. Oh, look at this goofy thing. This is not squared up. Oh, that's right. We didn't make it meet the building line either. There we go. There we go. Now the roof's correct. Sweet. Now we can just hide this stuff. Don't need it. Cool. Can get rid of this inference line. Oh, and but let's turn that back on. We want PDF on. Cool if we had transparency level in PDF in layers. Wouldn't that be cool? Uh-huh. I like the center between point to point. That was a good one when they brought that one forward. I need to look at process documents that I haven't saved yet from the client. So let's see if we can find that real quick, because we got some spec that I need. Elevations. Oh, I had DWGs. Ha 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 ha. Oh, and there's revised interior elevations in a base plane DWG. So I could have used a DWG, but I think honestly, I think it was faster just using PDF. But we'll double check with DWG. And then we got a presentation file here. Cool, cool, cool. That should show up. Look at this. Fanciness. Fanciness. What a very nice presentation. Those are the elevations for the kitchen. Not really easy to build off of, but that's what I'm getting hired for. So, So it looks as if I could start with the architectural layout, is what I'm gathering here. I don't design an elevation that often, but I could. Could be a thing. The other thing you can do, which might be clever, is here, watch this. Let's just do screen clipping of this. Let's zoom in on it just a little bit. Get a little bit more in here. Okay. Now let's do a screen clipping. And let's get some of the definition out of this. Well, I tell you what, people that don't know how to use Photoshop in this industry, you're missing out. There's so many uses for it. So for instance, I'm going to paste that screen clipping, and then I'm going to use what's called a curves adjustment to get some more definition out of this very light plan set. See that? Isn't that nice? And then we might even be able to, let's do maximum and preserve roundness. Or wait, there we go. Thin those lines up a little bit so they're easy to read too. Bam, look at that. And so now from here, if I zoom in just a little bit, I'm pressing the right keys anyways. Just screen grab this again. Bring it back into Chief. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to work in this view. And I'm going to paste as an image. And I'm going to place that image. And I got a pretty little reference. Isn't that cool? Bet you didn't know that trick. Kind of a funny one. Let's make sure we get the aspect ratio here. Width looks like it's one. Let's be more like 180. That looks better. Cool. Oh, you can't see what I'm talking about because I didn't switch my profile over. I need to hotkey that. I'll get it one of these days. I'll get it all set up. Bam. Tomorrow I watch the replay, not to scale. No, I don't need it to scale. I'm just going to place marker this and then do a live call. So I'm going to set up for a live call and that's it. I don't really need it to scale in this case. So it looks like there's the range wall and that's the range wall. Bam, 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 bam. Looks like that's a base cabinet there. Scene grain millwork. Oh no, it's not a base cabinet. So we're going to put this full height unit here. Surprised I don't have a filler. That'd be very surprising. Very, very surprising. I'm going to put one anyways. I don't listen to people. I don't care how high end you are. You're not going to just slam that against the wall. That'd be silly. So place that. Oh, let me make sure bumps are on. And then bump this to the filler. And now you can bump that filler to the wall. And this filler is 3 inches. I want it to be just 1 inch. We'll start with that. Modest. And then we can bump it to the wall. And let's open this. So it looks like we want this to be, oh, with overlays and everything, what does that make it? 8.5 or something? Something like that. Oh, and that's a full height door. Okay. Is that right? Yeah, I was dead on the money. Look at that. That door lines up perfectly. And then they got a 3 drawer. It looks like they're doing all 3 drawers. So we can just make that the default. And this is probably to the ceiling. Let's make it 108. We're probably going to put some molding up there. So we know from this that there's only 2 cabinets there. So let's just do a little measure. 60 inches. So they're 30-inch cabinets. Which makes this what? 6? And that's going to be 9. Switch my dimensioning defaults here. That makes it easier on me. And that was a range, right? So, and what is that? Is that a 36 range? Looks like a 36 range. Yeah. 36 range. So let's just type in range and we can get height range and then 36. And sort by my catalog only. And look at that. Very quickly. Get to my range. And I got tricks. I got tricks for days. Why is that range so deep? That's crazy. What do we think's going on there? There's no way that thing's that deep, is it? Why does it look so deep? Dude, crazy. Okay. Some big custom looking hood. We'll build out later once we get some more info on it. And let's just start populating some of these elevations. So we know we need this elevation. And I got new workflow stuff for this. So with the elevation, and we don't want to get rid of this. Okay. I snap to there and then tab input 18 inches as my first run. That right there is my workflow. And then I'll bring this to there and tab that out maybe 12 inches. And we'll just make this the overall run. And pull this other diamond out. There's our overall run. That's pretty. And then I want to put a depth cue on it. And let's pull that depth cue past my cabinets. There, that's what I wanted. Bam. Nice faded look. I like this look. It's slick. Save it, close it. Button. So we got island in here. This is going to be 36 or, yeah, it's 36. And it's got kitchen tools, pop a sink in here. Yep. And then what does that look like to you? E5. Any chance E5 is actually on the sheet? It is. Oh, it's a microwave. Well, we have a solution for that. Okay. And then what are they doing? A wall back here? A thick wall? Looks like it. Funny. Not what I would have done. That's dishwasher sink. They must have a 24-inch piece over here. Their sizing's a little off. Let's just do custom on this. And then just add an inch. There we go. pop some stools in here. Want a few more? Yes, we do. And we can take this elevation. Why is everything green? Because that was an overlay I used to from the original PDF. Oh, look what I did here. What did I do? Oh, shoot. Oh, I made a big mistake. Dang it. I made a big mistake. I was in plan painter mode. What a doofus. What a doofus. Oh, that's funny. All right. So that changes some things. Let's get in object painter mode. That'll be a lot better for everybody involved. Dang it. That was funny. A goon. What a goon. Let's see if I can pick up this countertop. I just had it. There it is. Dang it. That's funny. Gotta redo all my work here. that was terrible. Dang. All right, so we know those are 30. Here we go. Oops. All right, back to square one, but we need to redo my dimensions. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, comedy gold. Comedy gold was me screwing that all up. Screwing that all up. Let's just go to the 3-drawer painter marquee mode. And that should get me all these done. And then let's pick up this front face item. Actually, I'm going to try something. Let's check this out. We can got this little tool right here. See if it works in elevation. Does it not? It doesn't. Doesn't work in elevation. Okay, so let's try it in camera view. Works in camera view. You can select an item and delete it, but you can't resize it. I wish you could resize it. That'd be awesome. I know that's a future tool. It's got to be. It's the only reason they'd have it, right? I think. What is this? Oh, this was this is a wall. 34. No wall cap. Okay, and this is going to be a railing, and rail style is going to be solid. Will's baluster railing is going to be. Oh, now it adds the cap. Duh. No cap. Delete. And 34.5. And we're going to want to make this, in case we didn't already, let's make this partition. And we're just going to make sure that it's notated as a partition wall. Okay. Here we go. Very quick, easy. Let's get back to it. Depth Q, yeah. And there. See, I love that look. That's awesome. That in. Add 18. And then let's just copy it down 12. And we'll just pop these carrots out. What's happening here? I don't like this. What's going on here? What is this picking up? What is that? Oh, that's the wall. Need to fix that. That's fine. Oops. There, nice and clean. Okay. Bam, 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 bam. And then we got a whole pantry set up here. Where's the panel fridge? Panel fridge over here. Oh, okay. So this guy is going to need to be here. Okay. So we have a panel fridge in the kitchen tools. Man, I love how so much work has been put in these tools, and they work so well. It's nice. Nice, nice, nice. That looks like it's going to be about right. So, and then who knows what's next to it? Comedy Gold. Comedy Gold. This guy, I'm telling you. Let's see if we can just cut this and paste in here. Okay. So we have just a full height reefer next to this. I mean, full height unit next to this. Okay. Oh, look, it wants to fight the image. That's funny. So stupid. All right, so here's where that next side trick comes in play, right? So we can choose next side, next side. Not working. Next side. Oh, a hotkey for next side is not working. What'd I do? Shoot. Shoot. That's lame. I'll have to go fix that. Okay, so that rotates it, right? And then we can center up. Right. And populate them over. And then it looks like this is just, it's got some tower on top of this. Don't know elevation. So maybe we're putting wall cabinets on top. Not liking this. Not liking this one bit. Center them up on this. You gonna let me center on the reefer? No? There we go. And next side. Concentric. Nope. Concentric. Yep. And we can do a little delete molding trick on this guy and this guy. And I'm guessing these are the same size. Yeah. We don't know the size of the reefer exactly, but so 42. So 42. Yeah, that's looking about right, isn't it? It sure is. Close enough. Right there. Yep. Bam. Explodey. Get rid of this one. There we go. Nice clean look. Copy. 12. Pop this out. Pop that out. And just pick that up. No, I want to pick this up. There we go. Yeah, this is looking sweet. Quick work, man. Quick work. This is how we make money. That's how we make that money. Let's see what my kitchen plan looks like. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Right? So, same thing. We want to just pop in. Oh, I need to fix this. I want this to pick up fixtures and appliance sides and corners so that I can grab the front of this guy, but it's not going to let me. I'd love to grab the front of it. All right. Well, maybe not. Also, looks like my countertop got destroyed. Got some discrepancy stuff here. There we go. Clean that up a little bit. Interesting. Wait, next to the sink, they're showing trash. That's interesting because the other thing's not showing trash. And then what's this? Stain grade millwork. And so what's the side? They must have a bookshelf on the side. How funny. Okay, so this becomes trash then. What, a 15? Oops. What do you think? Bookshelf? And then I got a tool to recess the sides now. That's awesome. And this is going to be paneled side. So front side's back, left, auto paneled. And yep. And this overhang's not good. And then we're assuming, let's go Artie Shelf Painter. Single width, double width items, single width items. Let's throw some. Oh, I don't have books in the single width. I have them in this double width. Control. Let's go. Actually, let's go two drawer painter first. And now we'll do yoink and yoink. Except for we don't want it. That was dumb. Let's try that again. I should have a double door. That would be helpful. Now we got it. Just gotta get rid of the handles. Need a delete hardware tool. That's what I need. So I'm assuming that this is what's going to happen here. And copy face always messes up my paneling. Auto panel. Auto panel, and it's weird because it's split. That's funny. That's funny. So custom face. Auto panel. Bam. Okay. And I'll get rid of the hardware later. And then what else you got? That's all that's on this document. Oh, I was correct. Stain grade millwork. Solid surface countertop. Yep. Okay. Let's get rid of this. What's this looking like? What if we just do, I want to see if I've got my distribution. All right, oh, they don't have that as a type? Really? Distributed. No, huh, funny. Okay. Let's go offset. Let's just look at offset. Does that give me LED lights? How about recessed? And I want recessed lights. Can light alternate. Okay. And no. Oh, this is weird. That's a architectural block. Why did I make it an architectural block? That's funny. I guess you had to. I don't think you have to, though. It's weird. And why isn't this showing up? Distance 62, 72. Yeah. Okay. Explode. Bam. Now we got lights. Bam, bam, bam. What's this look like? All right. Starting to look like something. I bet this is a closed toe. Or no toe. Probably no toe, huh? What do you think? Flush toe, I mean? Flush toe. Yeah, probably. Dude, we're halfway to done. Halfway to done. No, I got bathrooms and all kinds of stuff to do. And a bunch of fixtures and finishes to make. This is a big job. Hour and a half. Not bad. Hope Chief is paying you well, taking care of you in some form to not only promote their software, but also your clutch suggestions. I bet they make some of your toolbars default in the program over time. I bet you they do too. And I'm really not going to be happy about it. Because I think they're just going to do it and that's going to be it, you know. I'd love it if I made some kind of benefit out of that, but it is what it is, right? And you know what? If they improve on it, that would be great. If they can improve on my systems, that would be awesome. Because they really work well, but I could see them still improving a little bit here and there for some things. Dude, this was pretty good. Hour and a half. We got this built. That's pretty good. Not bad, especially with the really dumb little. What's going on with the ceiling in here? We got some weird ceiling height thing in there. Funny. Especially with the weird window callouts in the PDF, which is strange, man. This is set to default, but it's low. Did I change my default? Did I? Oh, did I mess this up? Let's see. No, that's showing at 114. Rough ceiling, 114. What the heck is happening here? What is this? Oh, this is weird. It's showing the correct height. Strange. Huh. Okay. That's a chiefism. Weird chief thing. Weird chief glitch. That's bizarre. That must have been that weird glitch when we deleted the wall and all that earlier. Because I shot the arched doorway up too high. Yeah, that was funny. Strange. Stairs make it up the stairs. Nice. Looks good. This wall's a little out of alignment. I see that. Where is it out of alignment? Why is it out of alignment? I don't see why it would be. There we go. Yeah, that cleaned that up. And then, I mean, this is always my thing. I want to open up all these doors. Why does that not give me the option to open? Oh, because it's picking up doorway. So what? You need a tool restrictive approach? No, that still picks up the doorway. That's funny. Open those all up. Look at this weird. This is a weird house, man. This is a very weird house. Strange. Very strange house. Be interested to see all the finishes and stuff. I gotta make those fixtures. Oak. Looks like it's oak. Countertops option B, countertops option A. We can see what that looks like. And it looks like oak floors too. Ooh, man, monochrome. Okay. So oak. Oh. And then let's see if I got what we have for flooring. RD flooring. And I was so happy for that group search attributes. This is what makes it so easy to find my own stuff. And this is an oak floor. It just doesn't match the color of that oak. Maybe we'll make a new oak floor with a lighter color, huh? What do we think about that? Maybe we should. Let's just switch it over again. And materials, floor, and oak, made oak floor. I think this is my, yeah, that looks like it. Oh, we even have one specifically made. So let's put a little modifier on this bad boy. And we want to make it way more orangey, huh? And pump saturation up. And right about there. Pump saturation up more. Yeah, that's about right. JPEG 1024. Before we do this, let's just figure out where we even had it. So copy this. Now we can. Oops, not a PNG. JPEG. And okay. That looks like it's a different material. Dang it. What was it coming from? It's coming from imported base color. Huh. That's okay. We'll just make sure that this is all right. We can all get back to this. AO. That looks like an AO. Sure. And roughness. Scale might be off. Let's look at what that looks like. Yeah, closer. And we see how this is stretched. I mean, you could fix the stretching, but it's going to reverse grain, so that's not a good solution. Might change the type of door to something that won't look so stretched. All right. Oh, I keep forgetting to switch. A switch. Oops. Oops. I know. I need to do it. I know. I should just do it right now. Problem is I like burned up all my hotkeys on Chief. I feel like I don't have any more. Could I use maybe like a Control F10, F something, Control F7 maybe. Maybe could do that. It'd be nice if it was like a toggle. I wonder if I could do a toggle. Let's see if I can. So she hotkeys. And we want to switch to my Photoshop one. Switch to scene. Control F7. Okay. And then we're going to switch back to I don't know. Where's this other scene? See what got me stuck on? Main with cursor. Yeah. Control. Oh, shit. Didn't mean to do that. Control F7. Apply. All right, let's see if this works. No, can't be the same hotkey. So Control F7, Control F8. Control F7. Switch to scene. Control F8. Let's see if that works. F8. Yep. F7. Yep. All right. We got a hotkey for it. I just got to remember to do it though still. There should be some kind of, in OBS, they should do automatic screen targeting. That'd be awesome. Wouldn't that be awesome? I think I'm done for the night. It's 11 o'clock. Yeah, done. I caught up significantly. This is good. I can just send over, well, maybe I should do that real quick. Let's just populate a new layout real quick and we'll save all this stuff. So this is Glenview. Glenview new. Glenview new. And so our layout is Glenview new. Can we shift select both of these? No, we can't. That's too bad. Let me copy this dang directory. There, copy. Okay. Glenview new. There we go. So faster. Okay. So now that gives us this, which is great. We can do a little croppy on it. Yeah, I should do my wall reference stuff. Got a lot of info in here. Okay. What happened? I froze. There it goes. Those are the elevations that I need to adjust. They look pretty good. Oh, whoa, that was weird. Got windows coming in through. Oh, that's why those windows were low. Huh, okay. Gotta go fix those. And then let's just grab this and populate it and relink it to the kitchen plan. And pump it up. sure. Something like that. Something like this. Something like this edge there. Pop it up here. Who knows? And then I guess I didn't have my elevations preset. That's too bad. So I should be able to just take this inch. Plot lines, color fill. Let's do that. Bam. So there's one. And kitchen plan south. So let's pop this down like that. And we can link this to, if that's, we want kitchen plan west to the right of kitchen plan south. We need to get some elevation dimensions in there. Looking pretty good. Link that to kitchen plan north. This is going to give us our island. They have a new feature at Auto Centers. It's the best thing ever. I don't think people even understand why it's important. So if I relink this to this, keep layout box contents position when relinking. So uncheck that, press OK, and it should automatically center the view. Yeah, see, that's amazing. That's amazing. So hats off, Chief. I feel like I understood you when you did that one. I got what you're doing. You did it for me. Yeah, send this out as a sloppy little, hey, I'm making progress thing. And let's go working plan view. Let's go auto. Oh, no, we want auto. Rob's favorite. Yeah. And yeah. Good. On this page, it's looking pretty good. Let's get my construction lines. For sure, man. Yep. For sure. Hope some people got some stuff out of this one. I feel like we got some pretty good tricks and tips in here. Get my construction lines in, switch to intersected mode, delete the rest of them. And then I'm actually going to take these all and take off of infinity line. And let's draw a little trim. There we go. A little trim. Extend here. Where are those ones? Right here. There we go. It doesn't look like it needs a trim over there. And a little trim here. And there we go. Clean. Bam, 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 bam. probably bring these elevation markers back in and then fix those elevations. It's a tall building. Yep. Okay. These are plot lines, so we should be able to snap, maybe? Maybe not. Let's just copy paste these. Copy paste, and then what do we get from that? There we go. Clean, clean, clean. Why do we have two of these on the sheet? I don't know. Gosh, that's annoying. Like a snack, maybe we'll put these. We needed. We're gonna make this not existing. This is gonna be proposed first story plan. This is gonna be proposed second story plan, and let's relink this to, or rather, open it. Second floor. Copy. Paste hold. Open it. First floor. Bam. Copy. Floor framing. Link to foundation plan. Framing floor plan. How about that? Yeah. And let's build all framing. Bam. No. Good. Sweet. First floor electrical. Sweet. Sweet, sweet. Sweet. I'll do this even though I don't think they need me to, but it takes 2 seconds, so why not? Why not? I want to actually take that wall, and I don't know why this would be. Let's take this out for right now. I don't need it. Right. So there we go. New coverage is bam, bam, bam. Simplify. There's our new coverage. And then there's no, this is what's funny. Just pop this off to the side. There's no garage. It's weird, right? Do you think that's weird? I think it's weird. Must be detached. There's that. Existing coverage can snap to itself because that's that. Existing condition space can snap to itself. And that's that. And we don't know what the lot size is yet. So we'll just populate it anyways. Not that it matters. And there we go. And we'll do a check print and just show them what's up. So we want, what do we want? We want all of them. Yeah, isn't that sweet? Well, it helps if you know how to use it too. I need to do some process documents. I know that would help people out, figure out the workflow on it. But, you see how quickly that slams together. I mean, that's really fast to get to construction docs that are, we're under hour 2, and you could have dang near permitted just from my plan set. Missing a lot of annotations and stuff, but All right, so here's my thing. I like to grab this, and there we go. Cool. Get to send this off to the client. Tell them, hey, I'm working on the stuff. We'll be ready for you soon. Be ready for you soon. Cool. Mm, 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 mm. Boy, if anybody uses OBS, I got some tricks for you. Found some stuff out that's difficult, but also, what's this unsaved plan file? Uh-oh. What'd I do? Unsaved plan file. Oh, the layout got unsaved. I'm surprised it didn't ask me to save it. Weird. It's usually auto. Oh, no, it's right there. What are you talking about? Oh, this is a weird one. Huh. Funny. Nope, don't say that. I'm going to just check to see if this works still. So this is zoom it. And yeah, I can still be active while zooming in. Interesting that it's taking away. It's fighting some hotkey or something because. Oh no, it's just zoomed in that far. Yeah, so if I go here, yeah, that's cool. And I can enact this stuff. Here's a little trick you might not know. If you launch help, I'm gonna leave you with this. Then I'm taking off. If you hover over something like the auto exterior dimensions, people didn't know this, it will automatically go to that part of the help documentation, especially if you've got a fast internet connection. Look at that. It'll tell you what the toolbar is. Cool. I didn't know this. I just found this out. Just figured it out. Pretty neat. So if you're taking their certified professional test, just launch help. I don't know if you get to use the software or what. I imagine you get to reference the software. So yeah, just get the launch help and go get all this documentation if you got a really robust toolbar. So just throw every tool on the toolbar in there, and you'll get an index basically. You should just have a toolbar index thing. In which case, you might as well open up a text editor, get into toolbars, and just open up or duplicate one of your toolbar configs. And then you could literally just come in here and type out every known number, right? So it'd be pretty funny. From 0 to whatever it is, 2500. And then that would just give you all toolbars on one tool and then shrink it to the whole screen, launch help, and you got an index. All right, I'm out of here. Oh man, back hurts. Time to stand up and go do some exercising. Later, guys.